Appa, I miss you. All this is dedicated to you. ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಹೀರೋ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಯು ಅಪ್ಪ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಅನ್ನೋ ಈ ಪದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರೋ ಅರ್ಥ, ಇರೋ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ತಾನೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮ ನನ್ನ ಶಕ್ತಿ. ಅಮ್ಮ, ನನ್ನ ಜನ್ಮ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಮ್ಮ. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ನಂಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಈ ದಿನ ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಜಾರು ಕಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭನ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇದ್ದು ಕಣ್ಣಾರೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ತಬ್ಕೊಂಡು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೋ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಮಗ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ನೀನಿದೆಯಾ, ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು. Nearly 25 years ago, when I went to quite a few schools to seek admission, I and my father, Mr. Ravi Belgare, were denied admission by all these schools because they so believed we don't belong to a certain class of society. And on that day, I remember very clearly, my father, the Mrugaraja, he roared and announced, I will start a school, I will build a school which fosters equality, inclusiveness, a school which believes the power to change the world is always within. And thus, Prarthana School was born. When I returned from the UK, when I shared my vision, a vision to build a chain of schools, a community of schools, which really gives this amazing opportunity for every individual, every student to unleash their unlimited potential, which they all carry within. I could see he was touched and he was very proud of me. And when he saw the 3D vision of the school, I remember very clearly, he held my hand, looked into my eyes and told me, Nanna, I believe in you, I believe in your wisdom. Today, as we unveil Prarthana.in World School, I seek his blessing. I miss him a lot, but I know he's always there within me, he's always there for me, looking over me, looking after me. Appa, I miss you. All this is dedicated to you. ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಹೀರೋ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಯು ಅಪ್ಪ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಅನ್ನೋ ಈ ಪದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರೋ ಅರ್ಥ, ಇರೋ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ತಾನೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮ ನನ್ನ ಶಕ್ತಿ. ಅಮ್ಮ, ನನ್ನ ಜನ್ಮ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಮ್ಮ. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ನಂಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಈ ದಿನ ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಜಾರು ಕಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭನ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇದ್ದು ಕಣ್ಣಾರೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ತಬ್ಕೊಂಡು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೋ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಮಗ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ನೀನಿದೆಯಾ, ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು. Now the list is opening. I would like to extend my gratitude to our Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. D.K. Shivkumar, who in his busy schedule couldn't make time. I always seek his support and I invite him to join a community of schools, community of champions. Thank you so much, sir. When I invited him to this event, he told me, ನಾನು 2 ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಕಣಯ್ಯ. ಮೊದಲನೇದು ನೀನು ರವಿ ಮಗ ಅಂತ, ಎರಡನೇದು ನೀನು ಕರ್ಣ ಅಂತ. ಸರ್, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸಕ್ಕೆ ಸದಾ ಚಿರಋಣಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್. ಸುರೇಶ್ ಅಣ್ಣ, ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯ ನಿಜವಾದ ಅಣ್ಣ. ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಲವಾರು ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಬೆಂಬಲ ನೀಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಊರಿಂದ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗಳಿದ್ರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಬಿಡು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಕಾಲ ಕಳೆದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಅಣ್ಣ. ಇವತ್ತು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಮನೆ ಕಳಿಸೋದು ನಾಳೆ. Karnataka Bank is a 100-year-old bank and who are deeply rooted in culture, and as Lakshmi explained, they have been with us since the last 25 years. They have been a pillar of support to our institution and for our growth. I thank Mr. Nagaraj Upadhyay for being here with us. Thank you so much, sir. Vivek Alva, coming from the legendary family of Alva, proud son of Mr. Mohan Alva, and a very affectionate, passionate man with a big heart who came here in his busy schedule from Mangalore. My brother, I thank you for your presence. You are a great inspiration in this field of education, and it was lovely to hear you speak. You are a big inspiration to all of us. Thank you for being here. Behind every successful man, there is a woman. Right behind me. But I think this statement is half true. In my case, she's not just behind me all the time, but she's with me, she supports me, she's my biggest cheerleader, she's my biggest honest critic, and I really admire her passion for education. She's pursuing a master's degree in mathematics for teaching at Harvard University. She wakes up at 3 in the night, weekly once, and then she's so happy throughout the day. I wonder why, wonder how. That is Lakshmi, my dear beautiful wife. Thank you for being a part of my life and this institution. Two days before my father passed away, he called me to his room. I remember very clearly. He held my hand and he told me, I don't know why he was talking about all this. ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹೇಗೆ ನಡೀತಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ? ಹಾಂಪ್ಪ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ, ಆರ್ಯ ಆರಾಮಿದ್ದಾರ? ಹಾಂ, ಆರಾಮಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗು ಮುಂದೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಖಂಡಿತ ಅಪ್ಪ. ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಯಾಕೆ, ನೀವು ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳು. ಉಮೇಶ್ ಹೆಗಡೆ, ಅವನ ಸಹಕಾರ, ಅವನ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ನೀನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅವನು ಬರೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ CEO ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಜವಾದ ಅವನು ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್. ಅವನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ನೀನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಬೇಕು, ಅವನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ನೀನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆ 2 ದಿನ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಹೊರಟೋದ್ರು. ಸುಮಾರು ನನಗೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಬಂದಾಗಿಂದ ನಾನು ಉಮೇಶ್ ಮಾಮನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಮಾಮ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನಲ್ಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ನಿಜವಾದ ಒಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಗೇನ್. Today I would like to wholeheartedly thank 2 of the most beautiful, important women in my life, Bhavana and Chetana. ನನ್ನ ಅಕ್ಕಂದರು ಶಾಕಿಣಿ ಡಾಕಿಣಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಮಾತಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವಿಬ್ಬರು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅವಾಗವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ದೇನೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಬಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, thank you for all the love, thank you for believing in me, thank you for being there for me when I needed the most, and thank you for being here today. I love you both. Thank you, Bhanaka and Chetan. Stri Shakti, Mahashakti, the 4 pillars of Prarthana Kutumba. Madam Saraswati, Kavita Ajadav, Swati Kadur and Kavita TR. You all have been a constant support and an inspiration, and one of the main reasons for this school to reach the heights of success. I thank each one of you for your contribution. And with nearly 400 amazing, inspiring teachers, Prarthana School, we are an example of Oggattinalli Balavide. And I would like to thank every single teacher of Prarthana Kutumba for giving their heart and soul to this institution, for making sure every child is felt at home, and thank you for inspiring each and every one of us. Thank you all dear teachers. Your presence and your support is invaluable. The legacy and rich culture of Prarthana School, to be honest, was actually undervalued and not fully recognized. And until we found Spread Design. Spread, headed by Ms. Sonia and Girish, have been a creative genius in the field of design and brand building. I thank Team Spread for helping us realize the true potential of who we are. Thank you all of you. And when we were looking at who could design us the dream which we are dreaming, who could help us manifest this entire dream, and when we were looking for an architect, I found them in Milana and Arvind, who have been great friends but an amazing architects as well, who really brought all this beautiful architecture which you have seen right here in front of us. Thank you Milana and Arvind. They head Vivo Space Architects. And the initial construction of the project was taken by Mr. Chandrachud, who heads Infra and CART. Thank you sir for your contribution and service. Now the project has been headed by Mr. Sudeep from Gajanan Constructions, who have delivered their best and have been continuously supporting us in all our requirements. Thank you Mr. Sudeep and team. The success of every project is dependent on many, but the efficiency of it is mainly dependent on the project manager. Mr. Girish has been a great find who brings vast experience with him, and we thank him for his services. I met this very young man by chance. He came to my house for a very different purpose, and eventually he became a part of Prarthana World School as the interior experience designer. Mr. Sai Krishna and his team, I'm very thankful to all of you for your services. I would also like to thank all the BBMP officials, Mr. Umesh and every other individual who has been involved in the project and helped us secure our plan approvals, certificates and licenses. I thank all of you. Gaurav and his team, the experts in the field of event management, have been very professional, and I thank you for making this event a great experience. Velu, our carpenter, who is a genius with wood, can make anything impossible possible. Thank you for your services, Velu. Mr. Leo is an expert in technology and has been a great support in all technical matters. I really appreciate Leo and his team for their services. Praveen Shetty has been very successfully managing all our transport requirements of the school, and I thank his team and him for your services. Akash is a creative genius. The ad which you saw, the Prarthana, we are the new cool. The song was written and sung by Alok, and then it was shot by Mr. Akash. I thank Akash and his team for his services. I would also like to thank our Education Minister, Mr. Madhu Bangarappa, the DDPI, BEO and all the Education Department officers for the continuous support and for their support in this field of education where we are at to bring about a real change. I extend my thanks to Mr. Ashok, the leader of opposition of the Karnataka government, Bangalore South MLA Mr. Krishnappa, and all the other leaders of the constituency and the state for the continuous support for the cause of education. I would also thank Girish Ampalli, Tattarna, Sangati Venkatesh. Anish is here. He is a walking violinist. I welcome and thank all of you. I thank Mr. Pramod is here, founder and managing director of NPS JP Nagar. I thank my beloved father-in-law who has been a pillar of support for me in all my endeavors. He has been a big support, who guides me, who motivates me, who inspires me by his life. I thank you, sir. I thank you, uncle. I thank Mr. Iyer, who is here, who has been a great support to me. He's been a great guiding force behind all my endeavors. I also thank all the resource people involved in today's carnival. I thank all of you for your time, and I thank the Hari Sandwich caterers and Ganesh caterers who have been providing some delicious snacks for all our events throughout the years. Electricians, plumbers, lift management, laborers and every other micro and macro service providers. A big thank you to all of you. It is because of all of you that this big dream has been realized. Today, as we all are here, a beautiful dream is coming into life. But I also want to tell all of you, I want to accept this reality is not 100% fully realized in front of us. The campus is 80% ready, but I promise you and I commit to all of you that in the next 4 months you will see the campus coming into the reality exactly as you saw in the video. Lastly, I would like to say, I am not here to ask you for your fees. I am not here to say I would want admissions for my school, but I am here to invite each one of you. I am here to invite each one of you to join a school, to join a community where we believe the power to change the world lies within. Thank you one and all. Have a great day. Thank you for coming.